Our apple peeler coring slicer makes peeling, slicing, and coring fruits a fast and fun activity. This is a kitchen tool designed to peel, core, and slice apples in just a matter of seconds. Let me show you how it works. The first thing you want to do is to suction it to any countertop. Then, we got a couple things here. This is the core. So, if you're doing things like potatoes or onions and you don't need a quarter, just loosen the swing nut and drop it down. Now, this piece right here affects how much peel is going to take of your fruit or vegetable. This lever here will affect how close you want to start with your fruit or vegetable. Now, let's try it. Look how cool and easy this is. Peels and slice a whole apple in under 10 seconds.